A simple breathing meditation. For this simple meditation, you can decide to sit down or lie down. It is also possible to stand up during this mindfulness exercise. Keeping a straight back while relaxing the body to the extent possible to maintain comfortable would be a good start. You may choose to put your hands alongside your body or place them on your thighs or belly. Having hands touch the belly may be very helpful in following the breath. Remember to treat all my instructions as suggestions and pick the ones that make you feel safe and calm. If it feels comfortable, you can close your eyes now. You can also keep your eyes open or slightly open, allowing the light to come in. And if you decide to keep the eyes open, it is best to keep the gaze relaxed and not focused on anything too intensely. Let your breathing be natural and calm. If you feel your breath is a bit strained or tense, you can start by taking a couple of deep breaths. Feel free to breathe in and out through the nose or mouth, whatever is the most natural to you. This is not a breath control exercise, so you can simply relax the breathing and just follow its natural rising and falling. If paying a close attention to your breathing is in any way upsetting or unpleasant, you can decide to focus on something else for this practice. Breathing may simply not be the best anchor for your attention. Another possible anchor may be noticing the sensations in the feet, how they are touching the ground, for example. Or you can notice the sensations in your hands. Another great anchor is paying attention to the appearance and disappearance of the sounds. If you decide to stay with the breathing, continue taking breaths naturally and notice where it is easiest for you to feel the breath. Perhaps you notice the coolness of the air entering your nose or mouth and the warmth of the air exiting your nose or mouth. Maybe there's a tingling sensation on your upper lip or at the back of your throat. You may be noticing the rising of the chest or the belly, especially if your hands are placed on the belly. You may even focus on listening to the sounds of breathing, as if they were the sounds of the sea waves crashing on the shore. Stay with whichever sensations help you observe your breath easily, without any attempts at controlling it. Let yourself relax gently following the breath. You can try noticing each part of the breath, the short break before the in-breath, the beginning of the inhale, the end of the inhale, the short break before the out-breath, the beginning of the exhale, and the end of the exhale. Or to increase the attention on the breath, it could be helpful to mentally note each inhale and exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Paying attention only to the breathing. In and out. In and out. If you notice that you get distracted, perhaps by the sounds, your thoughts or emotions, try not to follow them and simply return to paying attention to the breath. Remember that it is completely normal to get lost in thoughts or get distracted, so do not worry if it happens again. Noticing that our minds are distracted is the crucial part of the mindfulness practice. When you notice it, calmly return to your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. It could be even easier to pay attention to the breath if you count them. If you decide to do so, keep the counting in your mind soft and quiet to allow most of the attention remain on the sensations of breathing. Inhale 1 and exhale. Inhale 2 and exhale. And so on until you count to 10 or you get distracted. In that case, you can simply start counting from the beginning. And remember, getting distracted is completely normal, so simply return to the breathing when you notice it. And feel free to experiment with any of these methods that suit you best and help you follow your natural breathing pattern without trying to control it. Now let yourself spend a few moments of silence, gently following the breath. Remembering it's completely normal to get distracted, so simply come back to breathing when you notice it. In a moment, we will finish this breathing meditation so you can relax your attention and perhaps notice other sensations in your body or in your surroundings. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, look around, and maybe stretch a bit. Thank you for taking this time to practice mindfulness. You can always return to this meditation anytime you need to take a short break from your busy mind.